What is up, YouTube? So, as you guys see, we got the new Civic. I'm doing a little interior cleaning. I'm taking some of the stuff out. I'm gonna try to weigh everything afterwards. I gotta try to find a box. But yeah, I'm starting to gut everything tonight. This is gonna be a multi-day process. I'm not gonna try to do it all tonight. It's just, filler things. So, to take out the door, you had a screw here. Let's see if I can show you on there. There was a screw there, a screw where the cup holder or where your hand goes, and a screw where the hinge is. That's right here. It's right there. Next, I'm gonna take out the seats. Passenger seat first, see what I'm doing, making sure, I ain't messing anything up. Then I'm gonna pull the carpets out. Center console, seat, center console, then carpets, and see where I'm at from there. I'll let you guys know where I'm at. Also, guys, all these good parts, anything that's good that could be salvaged, is gonna go up for sale. So if you guys need anything from this gen Civic, let us know. Hit us up in the comments. So guys, to take out the seat bolts, they are 13s. See, I was told everywhere they are 10s. So if you guys are looking to do this yourself, it is a 13, not a 10. Just like that, the seat was out. I did have a little issue here. This was a size 12 bolt. That was a size 12 bolt. But the fronts were both 13s. All right, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, to take out the center console, there's a plastic cover. This plastic cover that covers these two bolts. Screws, sorry. There's a screw on this side, I know you can't see, and a screw on that side. The e-brake side has to come up. You push back, lift up and out. The middle, up and out. And that's it to take out the center console. So this seat was a little different. All 4 bolts were 12. Not like that one where it was 13 in the front, 12 in the back. These were all 12s. I don't know if somebody took out the seats before and did that on purpose, or they just ran out of bolts and tried to find whatever. So yes, I think they might be all 12s or all 13s. All right, next to come out. Again, I don't know if you guys can see. It's this little part of the center console that holds the cover down. And then we got to take out this third pedal that's over here. The full pedal, I don't know what it's called. The footrest. Then the carpet should come out next. All right, this is where we're at. Back seats are out. The whole center console's out. Now it's time to pick up this little scrap pieces so they don't fly everywhere. Then I'm gonna weigh everything out. So now all we have to do is take out the sound dampening. I know there's a dry ice trick out there, but man, it looks kind of nice in here. Doesn't look half bad. All right, time to take apart the seatbelts. All right, it's day 2, guys. Still got to take the door out. I had to put everything back in. I don't have a storage area. Yui's working on his car, getting a couple things done with that. I'm still working on the Honda. So I'm gonna take off this door, pull everything back out, take off the rest of the plastics. As you see, driver's side's done, passenger side needs to be done. Then it's time to tackle the plastics in the trunk. Yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so that panel's out. That's out. I don't know if I mentioned it, but door's out. Trunk carpet is out. All the plastics are gone. So next is the headliner. You gotta get those plastics out. Took out the visor. There's some weird screws on the visor, if I can find one. So the visors have these weird screws. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's not a fly head, but it's like star pattern. So we gotta find that tool, that bit. And just like that, everything's out. So to take off the headliner, there's the screws for the sun visor, the middle sun visor. There was a screw up here. The lamp, you gotta take those 2 bolts out. There's two pop, I forget what they're called, the little plastic tabs. 2 screws on each side, and everything falls out. The plastics have to come out first, but obviously I took all the plastics first. So yeah, next is that little area right there, and we'll see where we're at. See what else I could take out to lighten this load. What is up, YouTube? It's day 3. I got most of the sound deadening off. Here's some of it on the floor. Now I'm gonna vacuum out everything. Something I didn't show you guys is I took the exhaust off because it was hanging. It is there in the street. Somebody took the cat off of it anyways. I don't really need it. So vacuum everything out, pull the stuff back out, get all the things cleaned up, then I'll let you know. And that right there is where I'm gonna call it. I'm gutting. Sound dampening out. Gotta do the back seats. I have to do dry ice trick on that one and in the back. But she's done. Oh, I forgot to take out the speakers. Alright. All in all, I feel like the seats weighed just a little over, or sorry, I feel like the carpets weighed just over like 7 pounds, 8 pounds for the cushion and all that stuff on the carpets. Sound dampening, that's right there. All the extra parts are right there. And those seats and door panels, I'm giving a rough guesstimate about like, maybe with the passenger seat out, all the stuff, all the sound dampening, maybe 100, 150 pounds. Could be wrong, but just the sound dampening alone, when I weighed out just the passenger side, was almost 20 pounds. Then when I did the driver's side, so let's say that's about 20 pounds too. 20 is 40, plus the seat belts, all the plastics, and all the random junk in here with the speakers. Let's say that's another 20 pounds. The back seats, the seat cushion itself, the one that you sit on, is only like 3-4 pounds, but the back rest, that thing's about 15 pounds. The door panels are about 5 pounds each. Then the random bits of carpet, I would say another 5 to 6 pounds, let alone the plastics for the B pillar, the A pillar, the roof panel, the back speaker panel. I don't know if you guys can see that. So all that together is probably another 20 pounds. So if I'm doing my math right, it should be about 120 to 150. I would get the scale, but my battery's dead on the scale. When I was doing these two, it would show me the number and slowly die out. So I can't get a good reading on that. So yeah, everything looks good, guys. Like I said, all this stuff is going for sale. If you guys want to restore an old 92 to 95 Civic and you just want to restore it and bring it back to the way it was, all the interior pieces, and you're an automatic, let me know. I have everything for sale. We're gonna like cheap it out. We're gonna give you guys a great deal on everything. You know, we're seeing the seats alone for just the passenger and driver seat are going for $500 on eBay. We're thinking about giving way less than that. The back seats I seen going on eBay for $300. Again, we're going way less on that. The plastics, I didn't find a lot of plastic pieces for sale, like the, why do I want to call it a sunroof? No, it's the roof lining, right? Yeah, roof lining. We'll call it roof lining. I seen that going for $100, and that piece is pretty clean. I'm gonna clean it even more. There is like a little brown spot. You can tell somebody smoked, or you know, something like soda probably popped and it splashed up there, because there is one little brown spot that I'm gonna try to get off and clean to make it look as good as new. But yeah, guys, that's it for gutting the car. Next is probably roll cage fitment. See what we can do for roll cage. Or probably trying to figure out how to fix these rust spots, sanding, and bringing the paint down. I'm not sure yet. Yui's finishing up his STI, and once he's finished with that, he said that he's going to be able to help me out more on doing all this. Like, we've been going back and forth. Like, he does his, I do mine. We've been posting all of his stuff on shorts, and we've been trying to do this car on, you know, regular videos, since, you know, there's not really much content. You're just sanding a hood, putting, you know, epoxy down. You've seen how we put the epoxy down. You see how to sand. So we've done all that. There's not really much content on that. We're gonna bring in some we're gonna bring a video up on that after we're done. Probably explain everything we've done and how it looks afterwards. But that's probably gonna be another short 5-minute clip. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We'll be doing something next to this Honda. Like I said, not 100% sure yet what's next, but we'll keep you updated. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on this adventure for the Civic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be posting more videos soon about this car and about the SCI and about the Golf R. Keep up to date with that bell notification on, and we'll get to it.